Hello you guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to decorate for Ramadan. So happy Ramadan everyone. So if you are a fan of decorations, then you might enjoy this video and you might enjoy learning English along the way. So let's start. Okay, before I start decorating, let me teach you some words that you might use later. For example, we have a crescent. Yes, you know that Ramadan is full of crescents like this. The string light. So you have a string light, which are like flexible lights, as you can see. You can drape, so drape, like put like this around the room to give you a nice sparkling glow. Yes. Okay, so we're gonna use the string light. We actually have a lot of lights. Let me show you. So we have string lights, stars and crescents lights, the ball lights. Okay. I need to untangle them. Untangle like this. Like they are tangled. I need to untangle them. Okay, this is the ball light. This is the flowers light. And I need to untangle it. Let me show you, wait. There we go. It's untangled now. Okay, so we have a lot of lights. I'm gonna show you when we're decorating. Oh no, I'm breaking it. Okay, there's a flower that fell down. Sad flower. Oh, and we have the lanterns. Let me show you the lanterns. They are the best thing here. Look, we have like a very tiny one, a medium-sized lantern, and a huge one. Look, those are so pretty. They are empty from inside, yeah, but I don't know if my mom wants to put lights inside. We could actually add some lights. It would be so pretty. So yeah. Okay, so we're gonna create an ambience living room. And ambience means to create a very nice, relaxing, cozy atmosphere. I hope I succeed in this because I'm horrible at these things. Okay, so I am going to start with this round coffee table to decorate. So let's see. I'm gonna remove this. My mom is gonna kill me when she sees what I'm doing. I will start with this string light to drape around the coffee table. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I am not gonna use the string light. I'm gonna bring the crescents ornament. Okay, so we have this beautiful ornament. Let's put it here. And it already has some string lights inside. There we go. Doesn't turn on. Does it work? Okay. The battery, it's like running out of battery. Ooh, it's on. Okay. I'm gonna put it here. And these beautiful shaped ornaments that have Ramadan Kareem on them. And the crescent, of course. Let's bring the other crescent. This beautiful light that is like colored flowers. Okay, and the lanterns, they are placed in there nicely, but I will probably just have them here. The lanterns are around the coffee table and the lights are creating a nice, cozy atmosphere. Don't forget to say these sentences to learn with me. Ooh, and we have the beautiful wreath. Let me show you what a wreath is. This is a wreath. It can be like this, and you have other shapes that are in green color. But yeah, this one is a beautiful one. It says Ramadan Kareem. I'm going to hang it on the door. Let's hang it. Okay, So our wreath is there. I mean, I'm pretty sure my mom is gonna tell me, what is this? Maybe I'm gonna hang it outside. What do you think? Is it a better idea to have it outside, not inside? Let's actually try. Okay, here you go. What do you think? Is this beautiful? Shall I keep it like this or change it? Tell me in the comments. Now I am thinking about adding a string light to the lanterns. It would be really nice. Let's try. This string light inside, what do you think? The small lantern? I think it would be nice. Yeah, it actually worked. That's pretty. And this one, that is crescents and stars, to put around the TV table. All right, here we go. And this inside the big lantern. Okay, listen, I don't think my mom is gonna like whatever I'm doing. I think she's gonna change everything. I am pretty sure she's not gonna be happy with what I'm doing right now. Okay, and I'm thinking about draping some of those lights around the plants, like plant pots, but I don't dare because my mom is gonna kill me. I think I'm gonna leave the final look to her to decorate and change, and then I'll add it to this video. And I'm pretty sure you're gonna like it more than what I am currently doing. And we are not using these. And I think I'm gonna be buying more lights to add to the door. Okay, so this is the final look, but because we have the lights on, I'm gonna turn off the lights so you see if there is a nice ambience look after what I did. And I added this on the couch. So this is the couch or the sofa, and I added this string light that has crescents, beautiful crescents. Yeah, but let's turn off the lights. Okay. Okay, as I said, I will be adding some of these lights on the plants, but I'm gonna leave this to my mom. And this is my table and my slippers there. Okay, let's remove the slippers. We have this, which is not the best, to be honest. Yes, not the best. Here's a calendar, a happy Ramadan calendar. An advent calendar. Advent calendar is like the one where, okay, wait a second. You take off the thing when it finishes, like from here. Yeah, it's gone. Oh no. Okay, it's gone. But anyways, here's the final look. Here we have the lights. So we hung this string light that has stars and the moon, and that one as well, and one around the tree in here with the lanterns in here. But my mom approved of the coffee table. She likes it. Here we are, and these as well. That's it, you guys, for today's vlog, today's Ramadan vlog. As you saw, I'm not the best with these things. I'm not the best with decorations, and yeah, I tried my best. But I hope you found it useful, and I hope you learned some words like lanterns, crescent ornaments, string lights, a wreath. So I hope that those were some of the new vocab for you. And share with me in the comments, do you like to decorate your house in Ramadan? And if you do, Share with me some photos on my Instagram, Spanglish with Taz, and have a wonderful day. See ya!